Today our topic is Current Affairs Bits Part 8. These are useful to UPSC, RRB, SSC, PSU exams.
Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos.
Which state government has announced 100% tax exception for e-vehicles? The given options are A. Karnataka, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Kerala. The given option C is correct one, C. Tamil Nadu. In November 2020, the Tamil Nadu state government announced 100% tax exception for e-vehicles. As per the order dated November 2, 2020 by the state government, all BOVs, both non-transport and transport, have been exempted from the payment of motor vehicles tax from November 3rd to December 31, 2022. The theme of 5th National Ayurveda Day is, the given options are A. Ayurveda for public health, B. Ayurveda for COVID-19, C. Ayurveda for pain management, D. Ayurveda for longevity. The given option B. Ayurveda for COVID-19. National Ayurveda Day 2020 was observed on November 13, 2020. The National Ayurveda Day is being celebrated every year from 2016 on the day of Dhanavatri Jayanti or Dhanteras. The theme of the 5th National Ayurveda Day is Ayurveda for COVID-19 pandemic. India has provided $500 million line of credit to Dash for defense related to procurement in the neighboring country. The given options are A. Bhutan, B. Nepal, C. Myanmar, D. Bangladesh. Given option D is correct one, Bangladesh. India has provided $500 million line of credit to Bangladesh for defense related procurement in the neighboring country. In which of the following states is the child sex ratio the lowest as per the 2011 census? The given options are A. Haryana, B. Punjab, C. Chhattisgarh, D. Bihar. The given option A is Haryana. In India, the child sex ratio is defined as the number of females per thousand males in the age group 0 to 6 years in a human population. Child sex ratio was the lowest in Haryana, 118 and 120 respectively per 2011 census. Who was honored with Bharat Ratna 2019? The given options are A. Nanaji Deshmukh, B. Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, C. Pranab Mukherjee, D. All of the above. The given option D is correct one, all of the above. Pranab Mukherjee, Bhupen Hazarika, Nanaji Deshmukh awarded by the Bharat Ratna. It was announced on 25th January 2019. It is the highest civilian honor of India. Who among the following was honored with the 50th Dada Saheb Phalke Award? The given options are A. Anupam Kher, B. Kamal Haasan, C. Nasiruddin Shah, D. Amitabh Bachchan. The given option D. Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan was honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. The Dada Saheb Phalke Award is India's highest award in cinema. It is presented annually at the National Film Awards ceremony by the Directorate of Film Festivals, an organization set by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Which of the following IIT institute has established an independent School of Artificial Intelligence? The given options are A. IIT Bombay, B. IIT Delhi, C. IIT Roorkee, D. IIT Kanpur. The option B, IIT Delhi. The Indian Institute of Technology Delhi has established an independent School of Artificial Intelligence on its campus. In September 2020, the President Ramnath Kovind has awarded the Jeevan Raksha Medal to 3 soldiers of which of the following security force? The given options are CRPF, B. NDRF, C. RAF, D. RPF, E. None of the above. The given option D is correct one. Railway Protection Force RPF. In September 2020, the 3 RPF personnel was awarded Jeevan Raksha medals by President of India Ramnath Kovind. The honored Railway Protection Force personnel are 8. Shri Jabir Singh, Shri Shivacharan Singh, Shri Mukesh Kumar Meena. In which state was Global Investors Meet ASCEND 2020 organized? The given options are A. Gujarat, B. Kerala, C. Rajasthan, D. Maharashtra. The given option B. Kerala. ASCEND 2020 Kerala on 9 to 10 January 2020 was held at Lulu Bolgatti International Convention Center, Bolgatti Island, Kochi, Kerala. Which government agency has released the annual report on accidental deaths and suicides in India for the year 2019? The given options are NSDL, B. NCRB, C. NHAI, D. ISI. The given option B. National Crime Records Bureau NCRB. The National Crime Record Bureau NCRB has released the annual report on accidental deaths and suicidal in 2019 of India. Which institute has developed the world's largest solar tree at Durgapur in West Bengal? The given options are A. DRDO, B. CMERI, C. Bose Institute, D. BARC. The given option B. CMERI. The Council for Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR, Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute CMERI, has developed the world's largest solar tree at Durgapur, West Bengal. The capacity of the installed solar tree is above 11.5 kilowatts peak. Government of India has launched Chunauti, the next generation of startup challenge contest in the which state of India? The given options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Maharashtra, D. Karnataka. The correct option is B. Bihar. Government of India has launched Chunauti, the next generation startup challenge contest in Bihar. The contest was launched by the Union Minister for Electronics and Information Technology Ravi Shankar Prasad on 28 August 2020. Which state's Legislative Assembly adopted a new logo consisting of the national emblem and foxtail orchid? The state flower in January 2020. The given options are A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Meghalaya, C. Mizoram, D. Tripura. Given option A. Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly adopted a new logo consisting of national emblem and foxtail orchid, Rhincostylus retusa, the state flower in January 2020. Prem Khandu is the current Chief Minister of the state. Video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends, like and comment about my video. Thank you.